Welcome to Army Recognition's Defense Web TV News for Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Your daily source for global military coverage. Every day we bring you the most important defense stories with dynamic video reports covering land, air, and naval forces. The US Army's fiscal year 2026 budget allocates $25 million to give its HIMARS rocket launchers a powerful new edge: the Blackbeard Ground Launch hypersonic missile. This next-generation upgrade aims to deliver rapid, precise strikes against high-value targets with greater survivability and lower costs. By integrating Blackbeard GL into HIMARS, the Army is bridging today's battlefield needs with future autonomous systems, making a key milestone in its expanding hypersonic arsenal. Unlike the strategic range, long-range hypersonic weapon, Blackbeard GL focuses on mid-range precision strikes against mobile or hardened targets. It offers about 80% of the capability expected from Precision Strike Missile Increment 4, but with a faster timeline and lower costs. With terminal seeker guidance, it excels in targeting in degraded or dynamic conditions. A key advantage is its seamless integration with HIMARS. Because HIMARS uses a single Amphion pod per reload, commanders must choose between GMLRS, ATACMS, PRSM, or now Blackbeard GL, adding flexibility without changing the platform. Blackbeard increases the range and precision HIMARS can deliver, all while maintaining the system's core strengths: high mobility, rapid deployment, and interoperability. Beyond HIMARS, Blackbeard GL is also planned as a primary munition for the future Common Autonomous Multi-Domain Launcher, currently in development in heavy and medium variants. Its compatibility with current and next-gen launchers makes it a versatile solution, bringing today's capabilities with tomorrow's autonomous artillery systems. Initial flight tests are planned for early 2026 with a live-fire ground launch demo in 2027 and operational fielding in 2028, placing Blackbird ahead of PRSM Increment 4 and reinforcing its role as a tactical hypersonic asset in the Army's evolving fires architecture. Stay tuned to Defense Web TV for daily updates on the most important stories in the defense and security world. Don't miss our end of the week roundup, where we break down the key developments across land, air, and sea.